Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to improve your audio recording quality on Redmi A3 Pro. If you want to improve your audio recording quality, go to Play Store and download an app named Dolby On. This is the app with the Dolby logo on it. Click on install and wait a moment. After a short while, you'll be able to click on open to open the app. And now you can hear the demo or click on skip. Now you can sign up for Dolby On or click on not now, and you can allow collecting data. And now click on the microphone, then allow Dolby On to record audio. And now when you click on the microphone again, it will start recording. So let's do a test recording. Hi, this is a test recording of Dolby On audio enhancement app. Now it shows you what does the Dolby On improve. And here's your new recording. Click here to play it. Hi, this is a test recording of Dolby On audio enhancement app. And to hear the difference between enhanced and not enhanced audio, you can disable Dolby. Hi, this is a test recording of Dolby On audio enhancement app. And you can enable it. Test recording of Dolby On audio enhancement app. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.